Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be replacing the cabin air filter on a 2024 Ford Maverick. So to do that, you're going to want to come in here to the passenger side. You're going to open this, and you're going to see two tabs on the side that you're going to just press in. It should go down. You might notice that there's going to be a separate rod right here. Mine does not have that, so I'm just able to freely open. But do be careful, because this will go all the way down and you might spill the stuff in the middle. This is where your cabin air filter is located. To open this, you're going to just simply press on these sides, and this will come down. This is your cabin air filter, and make a mental note on which direction the arrow is facing whenever you take it out. Boom. And this is what it looks like with about 20,000 miles. And here I have the new one. I have the arrows facing down. It's going to go in sideways. Push it up. Pull these tabs back in. Push it up. And I'm done.